Hello, I'm Kashyap Bhuiyan and I'm the co-author of the paper Genetic and Epigenetic Modification in Systemic Lupus Erythematosus Challenges to the Homeostatic Immune Responses. SLE is characterized by body's lack of distinction between the self and the non-self antigens, amounting to the hyperactive immune reactions. In most cases, this type of autoimmune disorder has no exact known causal factor and can be caused by both the genetic and the epigenetic influences. One of the major points of interest in SLE research is understanding the disease biology from a wide landscape involving both the genome and the epigenome of SLE patients. Availability of the high throughput gene sequencing, genome wide association studies, and the gene enrichment analysis has facilitated our understanding of pathogenesis of SLE. However, the correlation of these genetic and the epigenetic changes are still poorly understood, and therefore, this review makes a first overarching attempt to bridge the existing gap in the scientific domain. Systemic lupus erythematosus has been in focus for understanding the disease biology. The regulation by genetic and epigenetic factors leading to either idiopathic or drug induced SLE with a pleiotropic range of etiologies is still not fully understood. Genetic regulation in form of single nucleotide polymorphism, loci variant, and variation in gene copy numbers are broad ranges of genetic mechanisms driving SLE or lupus-like pathologies. In addition, a regulation of gene expression by transactivation or repression at gene deserts along with those within the transcription start and end sites, DNA methylation, histone marks, and microRNA or non-coding RNA add to our understanding of epigenetic modifications. Distinctively, we highlight how both of these mechanisms influence the innate and adaptive immune responses and highlight the keynote genes and proteins along with regulatory non-coding RNAs which confers the SLE susceptibility. However, existing discordant pattern of molecular modification of gene expression has given rise to insignificant characterization of target genes in large SLA sample studies of identification of shared and distinct genetic and epigenetic modifications will arm our interest in developing pharmacogenomics or pharmacoepigenomics against SLE. This paper summarizes the recent finding of genetic and epigenetic regulation of systemic immune regulation and operative forces driving aberrant autoreactive immunogenic reactions. Several potential questions related to the molecular regulation of gene expression indeed needs deeper investigations.